I have some cute shaker tags for you today. These are really simple to make. I used my Copic markers to color up my images. Those are all the colors that I've used. Not too many, so it was a easy and fun project to do. Here's a sneak peek at the new stamp set, Yay Lemonade, from our new release. I think it's so adorable. I love the whimsy look of the images. I also used my white jelly pen to make highlights on the images after I colored them in. I also used Memento Tuxedo black ink to stamp my images. I used the cute little banner. I did a little ombre effect, starting with pink at the bottom, working my way up to yellow. I think that turned out really cute. I did the same on the star. I colored up some of the images to look like pink lemonade, and some to look like regular lemonade, and some to look like a mixture of both. So I think they turned out so fun. I also colored up some with a black accent, and you'll see why, because I used some black and white polka dot and striped paper. I had a lot of fun coloring all these images. You can have fun with the mason jars just by adding your line of lemonade to the top, or you could put it at the bottom like you drank the whole thing and it was super yummy. Just have fun with it. So I hope you guys are enjoying the new release design team projects. There are so many cute ways to use the new stamps. I've used the Neat and Tangled Classic Tag 2 die, which cuts out this large tag, which I love the size. It's perfect to add multiple images. It has a topper, it has some flag banners, and it has some reinforcement holes that you can use. I also used a rectangle die to cut out my window there. I'll have all the links in the description box for you. I did use some acetate to make my window. Here are the finished shaker tags. I just love the way they came out. They are so cute. I love the noise that they make. So I put all kinds of sequins in there, pinks and yellows, some seed beads and some little flower sequins. I have my acetate window and my little banner up at the top there, two little stars. I added some sequins on the outside, and then I have one of the mason jars on the outside and one on the inside. I stamped out a couple of hearts from the unicorn stamp set. Unicorn Magic, love those hearts. And then on the back I stamped out You Brighten My Day, which is a lawn fawn sentiment. I stamped it out on the little sentiment strips that the tag die comes with. So that Neat and Tangled tag die is a perfect size to make a project like this. I also used the little hole reinforcer there. And this one I added the little mason jar up higher so you could see the sequins at the bottom. So there's two different ways that I did that. I only used one layer of foam tape to sandwich these two tags together. And then these two I did a little splash of black and white with the pink and yellow colors. So the ones that are pink lemonade, and the yellow ones are regular lemonade. So I thought that looked really cute. And then I did the straws in black and white to match the polka dot paper and the twine. And I did these little stars in black. I added the white paint. This is a gloss paint, acrylic paint, to the background, I just used a piece of bubble wrap and just smushed on some of that white paint. So this one I added the little star in the cloud from the unicorn stamp set, and that one is the Dreamland unicorn stamp set paired up with the lemonade little mason jar there. And then I have my little banner. Added some gold sequins in this one. The little cloud is from the unicorn stamp sets, and those are almost sold out. So if you want to get your hands on that, I'll have the link down below as well. So what do you guys think about the tags? Aren't they super adorable? Super fun. I just love the images, how she drew them. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping by, guys.